There's all secondary birds, so they're all very
Now he's actually doing very well. He's working much harder today, and that's because it's damp, and he knows he's got no chance of getting any height. So he's showing you beautifully how falcons hunt. And they're the only bird that really do have a long chase. If you think about all those films you've seen in Africa of lions chasing penguins, cheetahs and what have you, the chase is amazingly short. It's literally 1 or 2 minutes. And the only animals that have a long chase tend to be the pack animals, things like wolves and hunting dogs. But falcons will have a long chase. My father once watched a wild peregrine chasing a gull for 17 minutes flat out. That's an incredibly long chase. So he's actually doing quite well today. I'm quite pleased with him. And because I don't want you lot to get too wet, and we still have 2 birds flying, I am expecting you to stay out here because we're no, you don't have to if you don't want to. I'm going to let him test it now. Good boy. Well done. Excellent.